Good morning, students. In previous YouTube link we have learned suffixes, right? So what you have after suffixes? Come to page number 46. Gear up for grammar. आज क्या पढ़ने वाले हम grammar में? Degrees of adjective. Students, before we start with degrees of adjectives, can you tell me what are adjectives? Let's see. Okay? Read along with me. Learning an art takes great discipline and even greater effort to master it. Now you can see the word great and greater. Yes, great और greater word देखा, दोनों same words है, but it is used in different way. The words great and greater describe the noun discipline. This is the noun discipline and effort. Great किसे describe कर रहा है? Discipline को. और greater adjective किसे describe कर रहा है? Effort को. They are adjectives. What are adjectives? Great and greater. An adjective is a word that describes a noun. Students, underline this. What is an adjective? Adjective क्या होता है? Which tells more about noun. जो noun को और अच्छे से describe करे, that thing is called as adjective. Every adjective has three forms. How many forms we have? Three. One is positive, comparative, and superlative. These different forms of adjective are called degrees of comparison. It means degrees of adjective. So, how many parts are there in adjective? First is positive, उसके बाद comparative and superlative. So, these three forms are called as degrees of comparison or degrees of adjective. Now come, let's see the first degree. कौन सी degree है first? Positive degree. Positive degree of an adjective simply describes the noun. How it describes? Simply. It means एकदम simple way में. It does not compare the noun with any other noun. For example, Rahul is a tall boy. What it is said? Positive degree का क्या काम होता है? It describes about noun, but it does not compare. वो किसी चीज़ के बारे में describe करता है, but किसी से comparison करता है क्या? नहीं. Now look at the example. Rahul is a tall boy. Rahul is a noun. Tall is an adjective. Now let's see comparative degree. Second कौन सा है? Comparative degree. Comparative degree of an adjective is used to compare two nouns. Comparative degree क्या करती है? दो चीज़ों के middle में compare करती है. It compares the quality described by the adjective. What it compares? कौन सा कम कौन सा ज़्यादा है ऐसे डिस्क्राइब करती है क्या? नो, इट डिस्क्राइब्स अबाउट द क्वालिटी. नाउ लुक एट द एग्जाम्पल. राहुल इज टॉलर देन रॉय. यस, राहुल इज वन बॉय, इट इज़ वन नाउन. रॉय इज सेकेंड बॉय, इट मीन्स सेकेंड नाउन. नाउ राहुल रॉय से कैसा है? ज़्यादा टॉलर है. what does the word taller indicates? It indicates कि राहुल रॉय से बहुत लंबा है, बहुत बड़ा है. yes or no? Here the thing comes comparative degree. This thing is called as comparative degree. Now come to the last one, superlative degree. Superlative नाम से ऐसे लग रहा है ना बहुत ज़्यादा, सबसे highest. Let's see what is superlative degree. Superlative degree of an adjective is used to compare three or more nouns. क्या compare करती है? Three या उससे ज़्यादा, three or more nouns. It shows which noun possesses the quality described by the adjective to the highest degree. To the highest degree. What does the superlative describes? It describes which noun possesses the quality. कौन सा एक person या कौन सा noun सबसे ज़्यादा particular quality रखता है. Now see what we have seen in the first sentence that Rahul is a tall boy. Second में हमने क्या देखा कि राहुल रॉय से ज़्यादा टॉलर है. राहुल इज़ टॉलर देन रॉय. नाउ सी द लास्ट एग्जाम्पल. राहुल इज़ द टॉलेस्ट बॉय इन द क्लास. तो हमने यहाँ पे क्या देखा कि राहुल सबसे ज़्यादा लंबा है क्लास में. सो व्हाट वी हैव सीन इन द लास्ट सुपरलेटिव डिग्री कि हमने क्या देखा कि राहुल क्लास में सबसे ज़्यादा टॉल बॉय है. व्हाट वी हैव यूज द वर्ड टॉलेस्ट. स्टूडेंट्स नाउ सी इन पॉजिटिव डिग्री व्हाट वी हैव यूज्ड tall. The word is tall. In comparative we had made an comparison. हमने compare किया था between two persons. or between two nouns. That is, we have used the word here taller. And in the last, we have seen that the Rahul is the only one person or only one boy who is the tallest in class. So what we have seen that the word Rahul, that is noun, possesses the quality of the adjective. So kids, I hope you have understood the positive, comparative and the superlative degree. Let's see some more examples. Come to the next page. Page number 47. Now we can convert positive degree of adjective to comparative and superlative degrees using the following rules. Now students, we have seen in the first page that we have seen that one sentence was used. Yes or no? हमने Rahul is a tall boy को देखा है comparative and superlative degree में. Now what it is saying that we can convert positive degree into comparative and superlative. Let's see how. So first rule is convert adjectives into comparative and superlative degrees by adding er and est. What it is said? पॉजिटिव डिग्री में हमें क्या ऐड करना है? ER and EST. For comparative we will use ER and for superlative EST. Let's see. The word is new. N-E-W, new. New plus ER, newer. The comparative word is newer. I bought a new dress. I bought the newer dress than the Riya or someone else. Here we use the word, the type of comparison. And in superlative, what we will write? We will add EST, newest. N-E-W-E-S-T, newest. Now see the second one. Bright, brighter. You can see here ER, brightest. Bright, brighter, brightest. Stars twinkle bright in the sky. The moon is brighter than the star. The sun is the brightest in the solar system. Okay. Next, cold, colder. What we have added? ER, coldest. Great, greater, greatest. Same word you will copy and you will add ER for comparative. हम comparative में क्या add करेंगे? ER. And for superlative, EST. Strong, stronger, strongest. Tall, taller, tallest. Understood? Now see the second rule. Exception. Words that end in E only take R. Now what it is said? जो words में last में E आ रहा है, you can see in positive degree. सबके last में क्या आ रहा है? E. So will you add ER again? No. What you will add? Only R. क्या add करना है? Only R. And what you will add? ST in their comparative and superlative degrees. So what you will add? You will add R for comparative and you will add ST for superlative. Only for those words which are ending with E. जो words में last में E आता है, comparative के लिए R add करना और superlative के लिए only ST. Okay, let's see. B-R-A-V-E, brave. What to add? R only. Braver. B-R-A-V-E-R, braver. B-R-A-V-E-S-T, bravest. Brave, braver, bravest. Fine, finer, finest. Nice, nicer, nicest. Wise, wiser, wisest. Okay. So students, here I am ending up with explanation. In the next video, we will be writing or completing this page number 47. Okay. Till that, listen to the video carefully and understand. Bye bye.